So you're looking for a seat conversion for your van, you're in the right place. We do these every day. We'll take your standard panel van, Caddy, Transporter, Transit Custom and many other brands, and we'll put rear seats in the back and turn it into a fully functional combi van. Right, so we do factory spec seat conversions using brand new seats. Got lots of different options for lots of different vehicles. Behind us is one that we're well known for, and it's a Volkswagen Caddy. Now we do these pretty much on a daily basis. Like I say, we're going to use brand new seats, all done to factory spec. You won't know when this is done that it hadn't rolled off the production line. Very important that if you're having a seat conversion done, the main thing that you need to consider, even if you don't use us, is the company that's doing your seat conversion, are they qualified to do it? i.e., are the staff qualified to do it? Do they have welding certificates, got relevant qualifications? Craig and his big gun have been doing this for... Craig, how long have you been panel beater for?
27 years.
27 years, ATA. Panel beater in the insurance world for many years before he moved over to customization with us. So properly skilled technicians, trained welders, not just mechanics that are having a go at doing seat conversion with no experience. Craig is used to taking full accident repaired vehicles, taking them apart and putting them back together, you know, jig work, chassis legs, all that. So a seat conversion, it's really minor work. Craig is one of 2 panel beaters that we've got as well. And we do have Big Mike, who occasionally does them as well. Big Mike also, full welding certificate, time served 20 odd years in the trade. So make sure that whoever is doing your seat conversion, if it isn't us, is qualified to do it. There's a lot, we're seeing a trend, a lot of people popping up offering seat conversions. They're using old seats out of scrap cars, 20-year-old seats out of scrap cars. They've got lap belts in the middle. They don't use lap belts, and you know, since what, the 90s, early 2000s, we haven't used lap belts. And the reinforcement plates, everything, they're coming out of scrap vehicles at 20 years old. Not to mention the seats. The seats are going to be 20 years old. What's happened on them seats? There's been a lot of action that's gone on them seats 20 years, some suspicious stains, and I bet if you put them under one of them, what them lights and red lights? Blue lights and blue lights. I bet if you put them under the blue lights, you wouldn't like the bacteria that you're seeing on them. So yeah, make sure that you choose a company. If it isn't us, make sure you use a company that is properly qualified to do a seat conversion, because there's no certification scheme. Anybody can do a seat conversion. There's nothing that the DVLA have to see. Anyone can put seats in the back of a van and it's perfectly legal. So you need to make sure that you use somebody who knows what they're doing. So let's have a look at what we've done. So you saw we stripped out the full back of the van, the metal plate, and put in all the factory fittings for the seats. Seats are now in. Isofix and quick release. They lift up, lock into place, and then they're also removable as well. I'll show you on the small one, because the small one's quite simple to get in and out. Yeah. Bigger one probably needs two people or somebody who's strong. These also recline, so that's the upright position. They recline as well. so you've got a bit of a more comfortable seating position. Everything done to factory spec. You wouldn't know that this hadn't rolled off the production line. If you've got a Volkswagen Caddy, Transporter, do other brands as well, and we've got more coming, and you want to turn it into a combi, family utility vehicle, get in touch with the sales team and get booked in. How cheesy is that? Is that too cheesy? It is, it is. Right place, we do these every day. It's done me again. Do it when I grab the handle so it looks like I'm opening it.